Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Red color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color, light green color, purple color, pink color, dark green color, violet color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for books. C for cake. D for dinosaur. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for head. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for ox. P for pen. Q for quill. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for train. U for universe. V for vanilla. W for wax. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Black color, orange color, dark blue color, light green color, purple color, yellow color, red color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color, violet color. Let's learn to count some numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0. 0 balls. Number 1. One ball. Number 2. Two balls. Number 3. One, two, three. 3 balls. Number 4. One, two, three, 4. 4 balls. Number 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 balls. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls. Number 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Number 7. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 7 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equal 10. Number 8. Two plus 8 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Number 9. One, plus 9 equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Number 10. Number 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.